A lot of people they bash Iyabo Ojo, say shame on you Iyabo Ojo. You know if you carry your child go study for abroad. Say Mercy Aigbe carry your own daughter go study for abroad. Say upon all the money where Iyabo Ojo get, she no fit send her daughter to abroad make she go study. My people. Hi guys, welcome back to another odd gist, guys. How you guys doing? If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video, guys. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so that you will not miss any updates about the celebrities. And don't also forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, let's get into the video, guys. Those of una when I don't know Mercy Aigbe. Mercy Aigbe na Yoruba actress. We be say she dey act Yoruba movie. She get 2 children, 1 girl and 1 boy. She no dey with her husband again. Those of una when I don't know Iyabo Ojo. Iyabo Ojo na Yoruba actress. We be say she dey act Yoruba movie. She also get 1 girl and 1 boy, and she no also dey with her husband again. She be single mom. We be say she raise her children all alone. She do everything by herself. We be say she inspired a lot of people. So my people, a lot of people they bash Mercy Iyabo Ojo, say why Iyabo Ojo no let her daughter go university for abroad just the way Mercy Aigbe do. Say Mercy Aigbe go get daughter go get good education pass Iyabo Ojo. A lot of people just they talk all those one. But Iyabo Ojo don't come as I can't let us know say na her daughter na I choose to go to study for Nigeria, because she says she no want make her mother quit her career. Now she want study for Nigeria. Say money where her mother go take go sponsor and go invest for abroad. May her mother kukuma use her take start another business for Nigeria. But why people can't they bash Iyabo Ojo, say Iyabo Ojo no get money, she dey very stingy, she no wan use the money for her daughter make she go abroad go study. Wetin dey inside her abroad wey be say dem go study? Now where the girl like Priscilla like now she say she wan study. If she choose say she wan study for Nigeria, e no concern anybody. E no mean say Mercy Aigbe daughter Michelle better pass Iyabo Ojo daughter. No. They be the same thing. Iyabo Ojo daughter is also doing well. When we say she get her own business, when we say she they do. She go school, she graduate for that Nigeria. A lot of people think say now only person anybody will go abroad, go study. Now you go get better life. There are many people today when we say they study for that abroad. When we say they will see come Nigeria. Come they look for work. When we say they will start from beginning. May now look at Tiwa Savage. Tiwa Savage still study for abroad, you know, study for Nigeria. But today, now Nigeria now he come back on the sink. A lot of people also, when we say, look at also Banky W wife, when we say she study for abroad, at the end of the day, she come back to Nigeria, come the art movie. So if you study for your own country, Nigeria now, it means say, you don't go feel just get good education. It means say, you know, feel reach where you want. We say, only person will study for abroad, now you go feel, now you get good education. No. If Iyabo Ojo daughter no study for abroad, now their choice. Everybody get their own choice. Mercy Aigbe fit choose say make her own daughter study for abroad. That's okay for them. But many people call it us na stingy. Now so Mercy Aigbe send her own daughter go abroad. Iyabo Ojo no send her own daughter go abroad. All those one are nonsense talk. All those one me I no say, I no even make sense at all. So my people, make I read wetin Iyabo Ojo talk about her daughter studying in Nigeria. The reason why her daughter decided to study in Nigeria, we be say you know go abroad, go study. Make her read that for now. According to the Nollywood actress, Priscilla 18 had pleaded with her not to sacrifice her career and so much money for her. She picked to study in Nigeria. Definitely make her mother proud. And I don't hear her, my people. Now the doctor and I choose to study for Nigeria. Before people come they bash Iyabo Ojo, say why you go let your daughter study for Nigeria. Iyabo Ojo has said when we say she dey make money today. Now Nigeria then she for study, not be abroad, now she for go study. na Nigeria na Iyabo Ojo for study. Iyabo Ojo na single mom wey be say she dey work hard, wey be say she dey take care of her children alone. No be only her children she dey sponsor go school, she dey also dey train other children wey be say no be she born them, but all those children still see Iyabo Ojo as their mom. So make I know they use two children to they compare themselves. Say Mercy Aigbe carry his own go abroad, Iyabo Ojo no carry his own go abroad. Iyabo Ojo daughter they study for Nigeria. All those sons no get meaning. What matter is her daughter go school and she give her children good future, better life. All these people when they talk all those things now, the kind of education will be say Iyabo Ojo give her daughter, many of them their mama no give them, and many of them no give their own children. So all these people when they come outside when they talk, they use two people till they compare themselves. They need to sit down, reason how far Iyabo Ojo don't come with her children. When we say a lot of things, good things, when we say Iyabo Ojo don't sacrifice for her children. If her daughter choose, say she wants study for Nigeria, her daughter don't pass 18 years now, she not go fit tell her daughter, say, okay, by force you must go to that abroad. What about this no go well for them? What about this no go well for them? So make people stop to they use Iyabo Ojo and Mercy Aigbe, they compare themselves. All right, my people, I go like to end the video for here. Let me know what I think for the comment section. And if you never subscribe, subscribe so that I no go miss any celebrity just way I they upload. On a bye bye till I come on our way next time. Bye guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.